Let me talk about the power of having multiple exit strategies and what exit strategies we look at within our land investing business. Markets change, markets are cyclical, and you need to ensure that you got multiple tools within your tool belt. If you just have a hammer, everything looks like a nail, you'll most likely have the wrong tool for the job. Here are the exit strategies that we look at within our business. The very first exit strategy we look at is subdivisions. If we can do a minor subdivide, we'll typically lead on doing that. It's a great way to force value. The second is owner financing, especially in a time like today when funds are tight, interest rates are skyrocketing, you need to be including owner financing for just about every single one of your listings. The third option is double closing, and this is a fascinating strategy that we've been pursuing within our community. Again, the market is tumultuous, it's turbulent, we don't know what the next few months are going to look like, so it's nice to be able to sit on the sidelines, have a contract, go list a property, see if you can get a buyer for it before committing capital. And the fourth option is a weird one that I don't see a lot of people talk about, but I've done this in the past. We've had students that have done this in the past, and it's leasing out your property. Whether it's a long-term lease to one person or putting it up on HipCamp or Airbnb, you can actually generate cash flow from your property while holding title by leasing it out.